Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the printer error message 0x00000383 and when you're trying to add the printer and says the Windows cannot connect to the printer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. Click mo lang yan. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung registry editor. And then click mo lang dito yung open. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. But before you proceed to registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So, anything go wrong, you could easily restore back. In order to create a backup, so it's very simple. Ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung file dito sa taas. And then next ay select mo lang dito yung export. And then pop up itong export registry file. And then select mo lang dito kung saan mo isi-save. And I would suggest and recommend na dito sa pag-create ng file name, dapat lagyan mo siya ng date. And then click mo lang itong save. Kung gusto mo naman i-restore back in yung file, so ang next step, dito lang ulit sa file, so click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And then lalabas itong export registry file. And then ilocate mo lang kung saan mo sinave yung file. Okay, so start na tayo. So ang next step, dito lang sa computer. And then select mo lang dito yung HK local machines. Click mo lang yan. And then next, dito lang sa HK local machines. Select mo lang dito yung software. So click mo lang itong arrow to para mag-expand. And then dito sa software, ang next step ay select lang natin dito yung Microsoft. So double click ka lang dito sa Microsoft. And then dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay select lang natin dito yung Windows NT. So kailangan mo mag-scroll down and then ito na siya. So dito sa Windows NT, so i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And then makikita mo dito yung current versions. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-double click. Ayan. So dito sa current versions, ang next step ay select lang natin dito yung print. So scroll down lang tayo and then ito na siya. So dito sa print, so kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And so dito sa print, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung provider. Ito siya. And then dito, kailangan lang natin itong i-delete. Okay, so click mo lang yung provider. So right click. And then select mo lang dito yung delete. And then next, confirm key delete. So are you sure what to permanently delete this key? And then click mo lang itong yes. Alright, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito, ay kailangan lang natin itong i-close. Alright? So, back tayo dito. Close lang natin. And then, next step, dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then, type mo lang dito yung services. And then, select mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin ay i-locate yung print explorer. So, scroll down lang tayo. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang i-locate yung print explorer. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then next step dito lang sa general and then dito sa startup type. So select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then next step dito lang sa running, click mo lang tong stop. And then wait natin. And then dito naman sa kanyang service status, so click mo lang tong start and then wait natin. And then click mo lang tong apply and then click mo lang tong okay. Right, and next step, close lang natin tong services. And then dito lang sa start menu. And then select mo lang natin dito yung restart. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows cannot connect to the printer with error code 0x00000383 or shares network printer. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.